Can you make me a hot dog? Mommy's hungry. I want a hot dog. That's a hamburger. Did you put ketchup on it? Thank you. Jakey, what's that? Ketchup? Let me see the ketchup. Can I have a hot dog? Can you make Mommy some soup? You have some soup for Mommy? Soup? Thank you. I love soup. Is that good soup? Thank you. Thank you for my soup.
Hi.
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 Jake, what's your name? Jake Robert? Can you say happy birthday to you?
I see you.
Say happy birthday to you.
I see you. I see you. Gala.
Whose birthday is it?
Cake. What?
It's Matt's birthday. Can you say happy birthday, Matt?
Apple to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Apple to you.
Achoo!
I see. I see.
Bless you.
I see. I see.
Achoo!
I see.
Bless you.
I see. I see.
Jake Robert. Where's Mater?
Mama.
Where's Mater?
Mama.
Where is it?
Mama. 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 Mimi. Mimi.
Can you give him kissies? Oh, that was so nice.
Hi. Hi. Hey, Echo. Kyle. 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 Rosie.
Do you have Mater?
Mimi.
Mater. Oh, that's so nice. You give Mater kisses? Show Mommy.
Kyle.
Can you show Mommy?
No.
Show Mommy. Is that Mater? Good job. Can you give him a little kiss? Little kiss. Come on, let me see you give him a little kiss. Oh, thank you. Mwah. Mater, Mater.
Mimi.
What's your name? Jakey? Jake what? Jake Robert? Jake Robert? Can you say happy birthday to you?
I see you. But to hear you. Ay.
Happy birthday to you.
Ay.
Hi. Happy birthday to you.
Pinky.
No, Binky. Jakey, what's your name? Jake, what's your name? Jake what? Jake Robert? Can you say Robert?
Hello.
Bye.